Hello everyone, I'm John Manuel Montales and we were tasked to create a video about the comparison of for-profit and non-profit organization. So, in order for us to effectively do this task, we are said to select organizations or institutions or companies that presents these two. So, for-profit organization, I selected, of course, the very well-known Coca-Cola Corporation. And for the non-profit organization, I selected the Adventist University of the Philippines, this is their logo. And in order for me to creatively present this, I chose the challenge, we listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. I am Coca-Cola Corporation and I used to make beverage drinks to make money. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Adventist University of the Philippines, is here to provide you Bible-based quality education. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Coca-Cola Corporation, sources their funds from sales, which is here, investment. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Adventist University of the Philippines, sources their funds from student fees, tuition, academic fees. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Coca-Cola Corporation, is usually subject to business tax. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Adventist University of the Philippines, is usually generally exempt from paying corporate income tax. We listen and we don't judge. I, the Adventist University of the Philippines, is usually managed by the Board of Trustees. We listen and we don't judge. The beneficiaries and customers usually of AUP, of the Adventist University of the Philippines, are students, teachers. We listen and we don't judge. The basic differences between, or the major differences between the non-profit and the for-profit organization is very obvious from the word. We listen and we don't judge. The non-profit organization are important to society because they impact culture, people, and touch lives through their. We listen and we don't judge. What have we learned from this activity? Well, aside from not judging, we can also, again, this is John Peñal Montales. We listen and we don't judge, but we compare. And thank you for listening to this video.